Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I have more spring cards for you, so let's get started. This pretty Mother's Day card, the embellishment came from a die cut sheet which I like to show you today. I have 3 from the Happy Spring line by Precious Marika. And if you know me, you know I love her artwork. I have shared several of her die cut sheets with you. Today is no different. I'm going to start out with this first embellishment. Each sheet has 3 embellishments. They're die cut and you can just layer them. And this is this beautiful spring cottage here embedded with these beautiful flowers. And I have made this card. The scallop card is from Michaels. Then a couple of background papers. One I overlaid and I put a border, I punched a border. Then this medallion here is punched out from embossed parchment paper. Happy Mother's Day is a stamp that I stamped and then cut out and outlined with my silver paint marker. And then of course this beautiful embellishment. I added a little bit of the glittery tulle, made a bow, and then some stickles. And here is this first card from this die cut sheet, and I thought very beautiful. Now the next one is down here. We have another spring cottage and these snow bells in a wreath. And here is this card, also a Mother's Day card. I'm gonna participate in a Mother's Day boutique this year, so I need all this, all the Mother's Day cards. Now here we have some wood grain paper from my stash, and then the tag as well that I have just outlined, also with the glittery tulle. Added some stickles to this beautiful embellishment, and here the Happy Mother's Day. I computer journaled this one and also outlined it with my silver paint marker. These are sparklets embellishments that I should have in my store soon. If they might be already in when I show this video, so I'll link it below. And yeah, that's this next card, and isn't it stunning? Here, up here too, I have the sparklets. And these are non-adhesive sparkle bulbs that you can just adhere yourself. Just make sure you use clear drying adhesive. And then the last one from this sheet is this cute birdie here with the grape hyacinths and the butterfly. And this is the card that I have used. Now the background paper for this card came from this paper pad that I have been sharing with you all spring, because this is what I've been using all spring, by Dress My Craft Sweet Treats, the 6x6 paper pad. This is so gorgeous. It has all these pastel colors and beautiful images. And then there are, let me see, there are 24 papers in there. 240 GSM means that it's pretty heavy cardstock, and it has this beautiful sheen to it, the paper. So it's really high quality cardstock and so pretty. That's what I used for a background here. A little scrap of blue denim paper, and then of course the cute embellishment, some more of those sparklets. And then Best Wishes is a sticker. And so are these borders here. These are stickers that I have in my store, and I'll link it below. So those are the first 3, but there is more. So here's probably my last Easter card for this year. And I used this embellishment that came from the same line, Happy Spring by Precious Marika. And here it is, the cute little Easter bunny. And it sits, this time I made a pocket card. It sits on the pocket, and in here I have a little tag, and when you pull it out, it says Happy Easter. And the Happy Easter is of course from the variety pack that has, or actually value pack with 5 different sheets in 5 different colors. I'll link it below. Yeah, so isn't that cute? This little pocket came from Hobby Lobby. I bought that probably a couple years ago. A little background paper is all you need, and I always love to grab the embellishment and then check my papers to see what matches. That is really the most fun, and then you assemble it. But look at the butterfly. All I did is I add a little bit of my stickles on a yellow card blank. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The next one, here we have this flower wreath down here. Now what I did with this, I should leave this here. Here it is. I punched out a circle of mirrored cardstock, and then I laid the embellishment on top. So doesn't it look stunning? The background paper, here I added glitter paper with a border that I punched. This came from Michael's. This is glitter paper that is actually glazed in, so there's nothing coming off. And then a little bit of my background paper with butterflies on it. Happy Mother's Day is again printed out on my computer, and I added the outline with the paint markers. Then there is some glitter on the flowers, and doesn't it make a stunning Mother's Day card? And then the last embellishment from this sheet is up here, and you see this meadow with the sheep on it, and of course this beautiful spring bouquet. And here is my card. I just found again papers that will match. The glitter paper made it stunning, and the best wishes is also a variety pack. Let's see if I have that for you. Here it is. See, there are 5 sheets per pack, and it comes in these beautiful pastel colors, best wishes, and it has all these little flowers here too. And it is holographic paper, stickers. So doesn't it look beautiful? See, here's even the little flower. These also come in primary colors. This is of course the pastel colors, but you can find in primary colors. And I like it because here I use the pink one. See, whatever color theme you have on your cards, you can then easily find the greetings. And I like best wishes because that works for everything. And then I have one more sheet that I wouldn't want you to miss, and this is the same line. Here we have the couple of birdies in a wreath. We have one little bird sitting on a branch with a blossom, maybe an apple blossom. And then over here, look how super adorable, so sweet, the bird on the blossom with the butterfly. So those are the 3 spring, happy spring sheets from Find It, Precious Marie. So I hope you like these die cut sheets and the cards I have created with them. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave me a thumbs up and a comment if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Also join us on Facebook. All the information is in the info box below. So thank you for spending time with me today, and I'll catch you next time. Happy spring crafting. Bye.